Hi guys, I just got my Grove collaborative box. I think it's a little bit bigger than usual for me. Y'all know I usually get small boxes because I have paper towels in here. Now, for those of you that don't know what Grove Collaborative is, there will be a description as well as a referral link that will get you a gift set if you sign up for Grove in the description box below with all the details. Some restrictions may apply. All right, so if you're interested in trying Grove, check out that link so you can get something if you try it. Now, the short story of what Grove is Grove is a supplier of household cleaning goods and personal supplies, some beauty supplies that are natural, and many of them are organic. The company of Grove itself is trying to go plastic free. They carry other products that are not plastic free, but overall the products are natural, and as I said, many are organic. Here in this box, you can see instead of packing with plastic bubble wrap, they use paper. So let's take that paper out and see what we got in the box this month. I have repeat items, and I also have a couple of new items, and one item I would like to review for you. All right, let's start taking stuff out. I get this every time. These are the Grove Collaborative, speaking of plastic trash bags. These are 30-gallon, and these are completely made of recycled materials. These trash bags are better than the hefty bags. They're probably the best trash bags I ever got. I got them to ease my guilty conscience about using plastic. I said, I'll get recycled bags. I expected them to be garbage. They're actually really good. All right, and they are the Grove brand, Grove Collaborative brand. I also got, because it's spring, normally I'm trying to get refills rather than a new bottle of my Mrs. Meyers dish soap. But in the springtime, they have the limited edition scent. This is one of my all-time favorite scents. This is Lilac. Grove Collaborative prices tend to be slightly less expensive than the prices at Target for these same items. So I'd rather get them through Grove than have to park at Target, go in and battle people in Target, and get something that's a few cents more in Target. But you can also get this in Target. All right, so this is the dish soap. And then I also got the counter cleaner. Now I have counter cleaner already. I got more just because I like the scent, and it's limited. You can only get it for a short period of time in the spring. And the lilac scent is, of all their scents, pine used to be my favorite. Now lilac is my favorite. Now, I have hand soap dispensers in the bathroom. I reuse some of my plastic ones that my Mrs. Meyers came in. But Grove just started selling refills for their pump bottles in aluminum cans. Aluminum is infinitely recyclable, unlike plastic that can only be recycled a few times. So in Grove's effort to go plastic free, they've started putting in aluminum cans a lot of their own products. So, okay, this is their orange flower and wild honey scent hand soap. But this time I didn't just get the hand soap replacement. I also got, and this is something new, I got one of their glass bottles. I have a glass bottle of theirs in my downstairs bathroom. I wanted one for my upstairs bathroom. So, yeah, I know, plastic. Bubble wrap, though. All right, does it pop? Is it good bubble wrap? There we go. It's like going to a chiropractor. All right. Here's their limited edition springtime Decor hand soap bottle in glass. Let me put my hand next to it. You can get a feeling for the size of it because it's hard to tell on camera. All right, I have one of these, a bigger one of these, in my downstairs bathroom. This is a really good size for the upstairs bathroom. And what do I put in it? This stuff. And I can keep getting refills of this stuff to refill this glass bottle. Of course, I could put any old hand soap in it if I wanted to. I just like getting the refills in something that's not plastic. Okay, this is a standard for me. I get this every time. This is a preserved toothbrush. This is not like, say, the Colgate 360 that cleans every part of your mouth spotlessly. This is a basic toothbrush. It is made of recycled plastic, and I always like to have one or two of these around to be backup toothbrushes. If something happens to one of the toothbrushes, or it's time to change one, or you're traveling, I like to have one of these on hand. You can't pick the color. They come in all different colors, and you get whatever they put in your box. So I got one of these. I also got my standard scrubber sponges. I either get the walnut scrubber sponges, which this one is. One side is this brown material made of walnut fiber. The other side is a regular cellulose sponge. You get two sponges. I either get this or the coconut scrubber sponge. Coconut scrubber sponge, same thing. It's just coconut fibers instead of walnut fibers. And they're safe for nonstick cookware. They work pretty well. I usually get a pack of these each month. Now, oh, I forgot I got a refill of these tissues. Hold on, let me show you the open box, which I have right over here. Ta-da, I'm almost out of these. And it is allergy season, so I am starting to be in need of tissues. Grove has a line of paper products they've come out with. There's paper towel, toilet paper, and tissues, and they are made of bamboo and sugarcane fibers rather than from trees. Now, bamboo and sugarcane grow really quickly. Have you ever had bamboo grow in your yard? It's a weed. Very renewable. So that's what these are made of. They work fine. They're perfectly good tissues. They're not extra light. They got some strength to them. These are the tissues I use. Now, if I had a dreadful cold and was blowing my nose every 20 seconds, these aren't rough. They're like regular tissues. But times like that, you probably need those puffs with lotion in them. But for regular everyday tissue needs, these are fine. Put that back in there. That box has lasted me 4 months, I kid you not, because we don't use tissues much until this time of the year. So this is my backup box of tissues. And then while we're on the subject of the paper products, most of you have seen me do these paper towels before. Notice a cardboard box, recyclable. They're not in plastic because it's a Grove product. And inside are 2 rolls of paper towels. Now, I am fast approaching being an empty nester. We don't need a lot of paper towels. I also use cloth towels, kitchen towels to wipe up most things, so I don't use a lot of paper towels. This will probably last me all month till my next box. I kid you not. And if it doesn't, I'll run to the CVS and get some paper towels. But these are also made of the bamboo and sugarcane, so it's renewable. They don't come in a disposable plastic bag. They come in cardboard, so I like to get them. You can see my past videos for a more detailed review of those. Oh, I forgot I got this. All right. This is a microfiber cloth. Now, with Grove Collaborative, to join them, it doesn't cost anything. And shipping, I believe, is still $4.99 no matter how much you get. However, if you get a VIP membership, which I have, you pay $20 a year, you get free shipping no matter how much they ship, and you get, you are eligible for extra free gifts throughout the year, which they put in your box. Sometimes they'll give you a choice of 2 or 3 items. Which one do you want in your box? This time I had a choice, and I picked these microfiber cloths. There's 2 of them. They didn't cost me anything. They were part of my VIP membership. Hang on, the phone's ringing. All right, where was I? Let me fix this camera. Now my timer's going off. Where was I? Microfiber cloths, I think. All right, so these are Grove Collaborative microfiber cloths. I have a bunch of other ones of these. I use them, you just wet them with water, and in the morning I wipe down the bathroom counter and the bathroom mirror with one of these. I use them on the kitchen counter too. I like them. So when I had the opportunity of picking a free gift, I ordered a pack of 2 of these. You can also just buy them from Grove. I like microfiber cloths for cleaning. All right, one more thing in the box. Oh, this is the one I wanted to review because I got this in my last unboxing. This is the Grove Collaborative Konjac Sponge. The last one I got was charcoal. This one is green tea. Let's see if I can open this. This one does have plastic on it. This was my free gift last time, so I gave it a try. This little hard thing that feels like a piece of styrofoam is a sponge. You have to soak it in plain water. and then you just rub it on your face. It gets a little bit bigger and it gets a lot softer. You can look at my last video because I actually stuck it in water in the last video and showed with the charcoal one how it worked. So for the past 2 months, it's been 2 months since I got a box, I think, or close to it, I've been using the sponge. You can use it without any cleanser or with cleanser. I've done both and then used it on my face, and it works so well to exfoliate your skin. It's so soft, you don't even realize it's exfoliating. So I was using it every morning and every night, and then I looked in the mirror and said, oh no, I must be sick. My cheeks are all red. Well, yeah, because I like over exfoliated my face. So I really should just use this once, maybe twice a week, but it feels so good. At least the charcoal one did. Worked really well. So I haven't used it now because the charcoal one was getting kind of beat. So that was the end of that one. I haven't used it for about a week now. So this time I ordered the green tea one, just to see how it would compare to the charcoal. The charcoal, I think, is more directed toward people that might need really deep cleansing, maybe somebody with acne trouble, which I haven't had in a very long time. I'm 60 years old. Green tea is for sensitive skin. At my next unboxing, I'll let you know how they compared. I really did like the charcoal one. So we'll see how this one works. Plain water at night over your face. It's great. I did use some CeraVe facial cleanser on it too, and it worked fine with that also. So I'm very excited to try out the green tea sponge. All right, that's everything I got in the box this time. I don't have any clothing unboxing scheduled. I am waiting on a number of things. One, I did put on my COVID-15, and right now I'm dieting and trying to get it off. So I want to wait till I take off 10 pounds at least before I get another clothing unboxing, because I don't want to go a size up. I also got my first Pfizer shot. Did I mention that at the beginning of this video? And I had one of those, yeah, you get sick for a few days reactions to it. My second Pfizer vaccine is on the 21st. We'll see how I get through that. So for this month in April, I don't think I'm going to have another clothing unboxing. I may have a few other things to unbox and share with you. So we'll find out, taking things one day at a time. I can't wait to be done with the vaccines. I have a lot of stuff coming up in May. Thomas is graduating from college. I'm going to get to see some grandchildren. It's all good. So I'm very happy to get the second shot. I will see you whenever the next time is. Bye-bye.